nothing that I found could fill the great void. I knew I was lost, had no peace within, but I heard good news, Jesus died for my sins. I have found the missing piece in Christ. I'm made complete. Perfect love fears to cease. I found the missing piece. In Christ I found peace that exceeds all I know. His word gives me strength. As I study, I grow. I'm a new creature now, with a new point of view. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are